I love trying out different wheel covers for my Model Y, and it's the same if you've got a Model 3. Certain wheel configurations, like these 19-inch ones on my 2026 Juniper Model Y, just have so many different options out there that it's really fun and super simple to customize and personalize your Tesla. I kept seeing all these disc design wheel covers out there. There's different companies that make them. This particular one is made by a company called SinAlpha. Now, I'll get to the installation process here in just a second, which is super simple, by the way. But what makes these disc wheel covers so unique is that there are as many patterns and designs and colors as the company can think of. And if they can't think of it, well, you could design your own. Now, this particular pattern is called Black Hole. I thought it would look really cool with the quicksilver color of the car. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to go to SinAlpha's Amazon storefront and check it out. Now, I've got to talk about the shipping here real quick. They've got the product pretty efficiently compacted in here. I mean, everything is individually wrapped. This is a really nice shipping job. So we're gonna have 4 disc and 4 hub mounts that hold the disc to the wheel. And honestly, man, these feel very sturdy. This is not a thin, plasticky feel at all. Now, I've seen different hub mounting options from different companies that sell these disc wheel covers. I think I prefer the engineering design of the others that I've seen, but I gotta tell you, this one snaps in really easy. And of course, you can see here, I tested it to see how easy it was to remove it if you didn't want it there anymore. And it's pretty simple, and it seems to really hold the disc wheel cover on there pretty secure. I've driven the car around quite a bit now, and they're staying in place just fine. Of course, another benefit of having a flat disc against your tire is it's going to dramatically cut down on wind resistance. And from what I'm told, that can give you another % or so of added range to your vehicle. So if your tires look awesome and you can drive a little bit longer, that's a pretty good package deal.